Is your Android phone lagging, freezing, or just plain slow? Don't worry. Today I'll show you 7 proven steps to speed up your phone. No extra apps needed. We've all experienced that frustrating moment when your phone just hangs for no reason. But before you think about upgrading, let's get that out-of-the-box speed back for free. These steps are simple, safe, and use only the tools built into your phone. Grab your device. Let's make it feel fast again. Step 1. Restart your phone. It sounds basic, but a quick reboot clears out memory, shuts down stuck apps, and gives your phone a fresh start. Just hold the power button, tap restart, and let your phone reboot. Do this weekly to keep things running smoothly. Sometimes, the simplest fix is the best. Step 2. Clean out the junk. Uninstall unused apps. Go to Settings apps and remove anything you haven't used in months. Freeing up storage helps your phone run smoother. Next, clear cache data. In Settings Storage, tap Cache Data and clear it. This frees up space and can fix app glitches. A quick declutter can make a huge difference. Step 3. Update everything. Updates aren't just for new features. They fix bugs and boost performance. Go to Settings System Software Update to check for Android updates. Then open the Play Store, tap your profile, and update all your apps. Outdated software can slow down your phone. Keep everything current for the best experience. It's a quick way to get instant improvements. Step 4. Diagnose with safe mode. Boot into safe mode by holding the power button, then long pressing power off and tapping OK. If your phone runs faster in safe mode, a third-party app is likely the culprit. Restart normally, then uninstall recent or suspicious apps one by one. This helps pinpoint and remove problem apps. Wait a minute, have you subscribed yet? If not, please take a second to hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching. Step 5. Unlock developer options for extra speed. In Settings, About Phone, tap build number 7 times to unlock developer options. Inside, set window, transition, and animator scale to 0.5x for snappier animations. Limit background processes to 2 or 3 for better RAM management. These tweaks make your phone feel much faster. Don't worry, it's safe and reversible. Step 6. Use your phone's built-in optimization tools. Look for device care, security, or optimizer in Settings. Tap Optimize Now to close background apps, clear temp files, and boost performance. Run this tool every few days for a quick tune-up. It's a one-tap way to keep lag away. Step 7. The last resort factory reset. This wipes your phone clean and fixes deep software issues. Back up your data first, photos, contacts, everything. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, erase all data. After a reset, your phone will feel brand new. Only use this if nothing else works. That's it. 7 steps to a faster Android phone. Restart weekly, clean out junk, update software, use safe mode, tweak developer options, run built-in optimizers, and reset if needed. Which step helps you most? Let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to Dusty Seconds Tips and Tricks for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.